Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick little monthlies video. I don't have a whole lot, but I just wanted to share the things that I've just been loving recently. So if you want to see my favorites for the month, then keep watching. First up, I have this Nivea In Shower Body Lotion. This is for dry to very dry skin, and it is in the scent Cocoa Butter. I absolutely loved this. My skin felt so soft after I used it, and a lot of times when it's really cold out, my legs get really dry and cracked, and this took that away. My legs were so smooth. They literally felt like a baby's bottom. It is just so good. I highly recommend this. It's not messy. It does not give that sticky feeling to your legs. So I don't really know if I'll ever go back to like using a Vino or anything like that. This also hasn't made me like break out, because a lot of times in the past when I would use other lotions, my skin would break out and freak out because it wasn't a Vino. But my skin hasn't with this, so I really like that and would highly recommend this, and it's pretty affordable too. Next favorite is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Face Lotion, and this is good to soften and restore your skin. I have absolutely been loving this. I loved this whole 100% virgin coconut oil line from Shea Moisture. I got the Vox box from them from Influenster, and it's so good. It's insane. Like, this has made my face so soft and so smooth. It takes away all the dryness, and like, I've been getting dry around my nose and I have a little bit of flakes now, but this has been making them go away pretty quickly. My skin feels nice and hydrated. My skin, when it gets dry, I'm sure like many other people, it gets very tight, and I haven't been experiencing that tightness lately with this, so I highly recommend this. It is a little pricey, but a little bit does go a long way with this. And I mean, it is 3 fluid ounces, so you do get a lot, and I just like the packaging. I like the pump, and I actually like that you can see how much is in there, because I hate when products are like solid and you have to like feel, and it's like a guessing game. This you can actually see, and the pump, it locks. So I did actually like travel. I slept over my cousin's, and I had this with me, and I didn't like explode while in my bag that whole 10-minute drive in the car. So that was good to know. Next, we have this Whish High Performance Natural Beauty Rosehip and Lotus Nourishing Dew Mask. I got this in my FabFitFun Editor's box, and I have been loving this. I've used this a couple of times, but I don't really know if I'm using it correctly, because it doesn't say how long you should leave this on, and it literally looks like a lotion that you're just applying to your face, and like, you don't feel it. It's not like a mess where it dries up and then like you can feel it getting tight and stuff. And I've slept with this on, and my skin feels really good. It does kind of break me out a little bit, but if my skin feels nice and soft, I don't care if I get a pimple or two, you know? And also, I thought that there was no pump when I first got this, but the pump was stuck in the cap. So I really like the packaging. It's really nice. And it's a miracle worker. I used this before a party I went to, just to, you know, make my face not look so gross before I did my makeup. Like I said, I use this as like a sleeping mask, which I don't know if I'm supposed to, but I do anyway, because like I said, there's no time. I love this, and I love the way how my skin feels after it. It is expensive, but I mean, it's worth it. Next up is kind of just like my favorite brow duo lately. I'm sure most of you know I love the Maybelline Brow Precise Volume Fiberizer in deep brown, dark brown, deep brown. But I've also been really loving this Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in deep brown to do my eyes. Beat by Vela, she did a dupe comparison type video with this and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and her brows looked really good, both sides, like you couldn't tell which one was which, and I just like this. I didn't think I would ever like a brow definer, but I like it. I like how it's like this teardroppy shape. It's really easy to just sketch out your brows and fill them in, because when you go in with the point side down, you can really just get like the flick, and it's just super easy to use. My brows are done really quickly, The spoolie end is okay. It's kind of interesting to me because it's like so short and stubby, but it's decent. I just like the brow product itself. I would definitely repurchase this in a heartbeat once I'm done with it. Next is a favorite foundation of mine this month, and this has been the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I have the shade Y335. I really like this. I got this as a PINCHme sample, and I was afraid it was going to be too dark for me and a little too yellow, but it looks really good on my skin. I feel like it kind of just like oxidizes down a little bit, and is so good. I like the finish. It's a nice, to me it's like a medium coverage. It's not light and it's not full coverage. It's perfect, and I just love how it makes my skin look. I know this foundation, I've heard hit or miss things on this, but I think this may be like my very first high-end real foundation that I buy, because I do have the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector. This is more of like a BB cream to me, but the VIB sale is coming soon, so I may be buying this for myself as like a little birthday present or something, because I really do like it. It's really good. Next is just a favorite lip product that I have discovered recently, and this is the Tarte Lip Surgance Lip Tint in, I think the shade is Grateful. I love this. It's pretty much just like a pencil, and it feels like a chapstick, but it's not really a chapstick, but it just adds like this really pretty, nice hue to my lips that just makes them peachy, but it makes them look like juicy and hydrated, and I really like it. I know people are mad at Tarte right now, and Tarte's not a lot of people's favorites, but this is a really pretty color and I really like it. It's perfect for every day because you can literally, it's a lip color that you can dress up or dress down because of how natural it looks. It's gorgeous. And the last thing is kind of random, but these hair ties, these are from the brand Goody, and they're those like no creasing hair ties. I don't know what I've been doing for the past couple years when these have like blown up, and why I haven't spent the $3 to $4 on them, but they're so good. I love them. They don't crease my hair, and that is one thing I always have an issue, because I don't wash my hair every day, and if I wear like a pony one day and don't want to wear a pony the next day, I always have a huge bump, and it's not cute, and these don't bump them. I actually have 2 free ones laying around that I got from Clairol, and I love these. They're so good. Like, where have I been? I don't know. I don't know. I live in my own little bubble, and I don't know. But they're so good, and I just love how it has like this little tie, because I always put them in the front so it looks like a little bow because I'm 5. But they're so good. If you're ever looking for like non-crease hair ties, like these are it. The one downside though is they don't really hold a pony that well in my hair. If I do want to do a pony, I have to use 2 of these, which I normally have to use 2 hair ties anyway. And those were my favorites for the month of March. What were your favorites in the month of March? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see in the near future, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!